Hello guys, nan video jodi an ke nou prale apren mwayo nan ane ya, ok? Koman ka ap di mwayo nan ane ya en Anglais? So how can I say mwayo nan ane ya in English? So you can say the month of the year. Again, the month of the year. Okay, so don't forget to like and don't forget to share the video, and then don't forget to make your comment. Okay, I am really appreciated, guys. So thank you so much for your support. Okay, so pas oublier pour nous partager, like ou bien remen vidéo hein, et puis pour nous commenter tout. Okay guys, so let's get rolling the ball. The first one, or number one, numéro 1, just repeat after me. Are you guys ready? Okay. Number 1, January. Okay. Number 2, February. Great. Number 3, March. Number 4, April. Again, April. Number 5, May. Number 6, June. Number 7, July. Number 8, August. Number 9, September. Number 10, October. Okay, October. Number 11, November. Good job, guys. And then the last one, number 12, December. Again, December. Okay guys, so good job. Okay, so si ke mwen ta vle di 6 janvier, 7 février, 1er mars, 1er janvier, 24 décembre, 3 octobre, et puis 2 janvier en anglais. So how can I say that? Okay, 6 janvier, ou ka ap di January 6th. Si m vle di 7 février, February 7th. Ok? February 7th. Wap mette ti H la devan 7 nan, li vin fè 7th. Ok. 1er mars, ki se March 1st. Si m ap di 2 juillet, July 2nd. Si m ap di 24 décembre, December 24th. Ok. Si m ap di 3 octobre, October 3rd. Si m ap di 2 janvier, January 2nd. Okay guys, so we just have 3 sentences we're going to learn. Nous avons 3 phrases que nous allons traduire en créole. Si me dit, par exemple, si me dit I was born on January 1st. C'est moi fête nan 1er janvier. John was born on April 6th. John te fête nan 6 avril. Ou bien John te fait 6 avril. Troisième nan, the last one. John and I were born on December 3rd. Again, John and I were born on December 3rd. John avec moi te fait 3 décembre. Ou bien John avec moi fait 3 décembre. Okay guys, so I hope you liked the video, and then don't forget to like and to share, and just see you in the next video. Be blessed.